friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making Jimmy Dean's biscuit sausage in the air fryer. So this is a frozen packaged biscuit sausage, no need to defrost, air fryer will cook it straight from frozen. So let me open the package of Jimmy Dean biscuit sausage. And let's take it out of the packaging. Isn't it interesting? Look how big it is on the picture, but this is the real size. They're miniature, and that's the giveaway. It does say snack size sandwiches, so when they say snack, they mean it. They're like mini little biscuit sausage sandwiches. So let me make, I'll do 4. Take out the air fryer basket. And let's take them out. So I'm going to separate the layers. So put biscuit and sausage separately. And when it's done cooking, we're just going to assemble them back. Perfect. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking. So let's take a look. Look at these biscuit sausage snacks. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I do recommend just touching the sausage to make sure it's hot, because all air fryers cook differently, but this time was perfect for my air fryer. So they're all done, so I'm just going to take them out and reassemble them. So let's take them out. So these are the bottom buns. And I'm going to now take the sausage. And the top bun. Perfect. Biscuit sausage, Jimmy Dean's frozen food, cooked perfectly in the air fryer. This is so much better than the microwave. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So delicious. The bread is warm and still soft with a slight crisp, and the sausage is hot. So this is perfectly heated. So much better than microwave. Microwave makes them soggy, but air fry gives an amazing texture. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!